Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a review of a 50p piece. It's one of the latest that have come out. It's for the Birmingham Commonwealth Games. The description on the back of the bunk pack says, featuring elite athletics from 72 nations and territories, the Commonwealth Games is a quadrennial staple of the sporting calendar. Basically it means once every 4 years, and one of the most highly anticipated sporting events in the world. Nicknamed the Friendly Games for its emphasis on inclusion, diversity and participation. It is a spectacular of sport unlike other defining boundaries and uniting the world through the magic of sport. As the Commonwealth Games returns to England for the first time in 20 years, we proudly celebrate the historic events with the UK 50p dedicated coins for Birmingham 2022. Okay, the battery just ran out, so let's just take it back a bit. This is Natasha Priest. This is the lady who designed the coin. So if you want to find out about herself and the reason for her design, pause and read that. We then have next to it a celebration of the games, or a celebration of greatness. It then goes on to talk about this coin itself, which is Team England. So this is the England coin. What they've done with this 50p, like they did with the £2 coin for the Commonwealth Games in 2002, so they've produced 4 different ones. They each have the flag of the nation at the bottom of the coin, and I'll show you that in a short while. The Festival of Sports and Culture, and uniting the Commonwealth. Then on the back is just the specifications and the what's it. So let's get this to come down and zoom in. There we go, we have the JC portrait of Her Majesty, and then on this side we have the coloured version of the Commonwealth Games coin. The difference between this coin and the standard 50p is that the 3V shapes are in the red, yellow and light blue colours, and then right at the bottom of the coin here, can you see this line? Well, this line is what this privy mark here is. It's not very easy to see. Let's see if I can get it. It's right there. Now, with Wales you have a dragon. With Scotland you have the rampant lion, I believe. And Northern Ireland is the Hand of Ulster. That's the privy mark that goes at the bottom of each of these coins. This coin is, as I say, one of the 4 coloured versions, and you also then have the version with the, that's the standard this is standard coin. It doesn't have the colour in, and it doesn't have the privy mark. Now this is the one that's on, is in the blue cards that you get from Westminster and such like. These coloured ones, as I say, each have the 4 flags of the nations. Now I've got England. You can either buy them as 4 individual coins, or you can buy them as a pack of 4. Now I think the pack of 4 is around about £80 with postage and what have you. These were, I think, £23 each. I'm hoping to get all 4 of them before they run out. If not, I might have to start going onto the net to try and find them. Right, the last part of this coin, of course, let's just get wide open. And there's a full bunk pack. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you've not yet subscribed, could you think about doing so? So I'm trying to build my subscriber base up to 100 before Christmas. For those of you who are first time viewers, please can you think about subscribing if you've enjoyed this video. I would love to have you along for the journey through coins, banknotes, etc. that I'm going to be going on. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching over the next couple of weeks. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I'm sorry, lost my train of thought there. In closing, I'd just like to say thank you for watching the video, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye.